New Zealand's orchards, vineyards, and farms are buzzing with activity. Right at this point, the seasonal worker visas have been opened for 2025 intake, your chance to work, earn, and explore New Zealand in a few months. From today, 8th of December 2025, New Zealand officially replaces the old seasonal work visa with two new options: the Peak Seasonal Visa, PSV, and the Global Workforce Seasonal Visa, GWSV. The PSV suits entry-level seasonal roles, while the GWSV targets more experienced, specialized seasonal positions, or those with prior experience. These visas exist because New Zealand needs extra workers during harvest peak seasons. If you have been looking out for this opportunity, this is your complete guide. You'll learn who can apply, what jobs are available, how to apply, and practical tips to make the most of it. Who can apply? You don't need special skills. Most applicants only need to be 18 years or above. No specification for upper age limit. Be healthy. Have no major criminal record. Have a valid job offer from an approved employer, and show you can support yourself until your first paycheck. You need to demonstrate at least 2,500 New Zealand dollars per person to cover initial expenses. This is about 1,500 US dollars, quite lower than what most visas require. There is no English language requirement, so no IELTS, no CELTS, no CEFR. If you have participated in 3 seasons in the relevant job area, and with specialist skills such as machinery operation, technician, or other specialized roles, you can qualify for the Global Workforce Seasonal Visa, which allows you to return for up to 3 seasons under one visa. However, the Peak Seasonal Worker Visa offers shorter stays under high-demand roles in agriculture and horticulture. Most harvest and general farm jobs fall under the Peak Seasonal Visa. Because the Global Workforce Seasonal Visa requires prior experience and employer sponsorship, many viewers may find the Peak Seasonal Visa a more realistic route. To help you prepare, let's look at visa fees. Application fee is approximately 330 to 350 New Zealand dollars. Could vary slightly. Usually you will pay for your visa fee. However, some employers may reimburse or cover the cost depending on agreements. Work you can do. Typical roles include fruit picking and pruning, vineyard work, sorting and packing in pack houses, general farm duties. Work is physical but straightforward. Some jobs start early, some have long days, and overtime may be available. So what happens after you've served your time on your visa? If you're already in New Zealand on a seasonal visa, you can switch to a similar role in the same industry with employer sponsorship. Example, moving from apple picking in Hawke's Bay to kiwi fruit harvesting in Bay of Plenty. You cannot switch to unrelated jobs, such as hospitality or construction, without applying for a new visa type. Now let's find the jobs. Hotspots include Hawke's Bay, known for apples and stone fruit; Bay of Plenty, powerhouse for kiwi fruit; Marlborough for vineyards; Central Otago for cherries and summer fruit; and Nelson for apples, berries, and hops. These regions also offer shared accommodations and communities of seasonal workers, making it easier to settle in. Meaning, you don't need to worry about accommodation. Traveling with family. Seasonal visas are mainly for individuals. Partners and children generally cannot join under the same visa. If your goal is personal short-term work, adventure, and earning money, this visa is ideal. Many workers use days off to explore New Zealand's stunning landscapes. Duration of stay. Seasonal visas cover the peak season, generally weeks to a few months, up to 7 months depending on employer demand. You can return for future seasons if you meet eligibility requirements for that season. Application process. 1. Find an approved employer or recruitment agency. 2. Receive a formal job offer. 3. Prepare documents, passport, financial proof, health checks. 4. Apply for the visa and pay the fee. 5. Fly to New Zealand and start work. Some employers help with the paperwork, which can simplify the process for first-timers. Day-to-day life. Expect early mornings, teamwork, and physical activity. Many workers enjoy 1. Steady income. Salary can range from 23.50 New Zealand dollars per hour to about 45. 2. Meeting people from around the world. 3. Exploring beaches, lakes, and national parks on days off. It's a short-term but rewarding experience for those looking to earn and travel. 2025 updates. New rules took effect today, 8th December 2025, giving clearer guidance on job availability, visa duration, and employer responsibilities. If you are ready to grab the 2025 peak seasonal visa opportunity, start preparing now. Check the requirements, secure your job offer, and get your documents ready. Every day counts. Don't wait. Hit the like button if you found this guide useful, subscribe for the latest visa updates, and drop your questions in the comments. Also share to a loved one so that they can explore this adventure too. Note that this does not replace immigration advice and is for information only. Thank you for watching.